Hello, welcome to Cooking with Tara. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana bread with walnuts. It's one of my favorites and I hope you enjoy. Now that we have all the dry ingredients mixed together, we're going to add the wet ingredients. Okay, now that I have the chocolate chips and the walnuts in, I'm going to fold them in. Okay, now that we have our ingredients all mixed together, we folded in our chocolate chips and our walnuts, we're going to take our loaf pan and grease it and lightly dust it with flour. Preheat the oven to 350. We're going to bake it for 1 hour. And here we go, we have it all completed. So exciting, I'm gonna cut into it and put some butter on it and watch it melt, and I can't wait to take a bite.